CCB One Stop Solution.
Hi, I'm Zora from Top Talent. Today, I would like to introduce our samples showroom to you. Especially, I would like to introduce this CCB One Stop Solution project for you. For this project, we built 47 die sets of metal stamping dies, 61 sets of checking fixtures, and 13 sets of welding fixtures. Especially, we built these tube parts for our customers. Under our two shops working together closely, namely checking fixtures and welding fixture shops, and also tool shops working closely together to achieve the project very well, and saved a lot of cost and timing with less communication windows, and also quick react to the assembly tolerance challenges. Due to the short lead time, we also welded and integrated the assembly parts for our customers and shipped directly to our end customers. If you got any one-stop solution project inquiry, we will waiting for you here at TTM. Thank you.